Hey guys, I have an LED with a 30% discount code. We'll be right back. Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips on Facebook and Twitter, and I have this awesome, incredible value for everyone. You're gonna love this. This is another LED light. This is it here, folks. This is an impressive light. It comes as a 2-pack. This is one. It's twin brother, right here. You notice there's no power button on this. It's just you need a pin and you push it on. It's a 4.8 watt solar panel, which is impressive. This has a 3600 milliamp lithium battery inside. However, there are three 3.7 volt lithium batteries at 1200 milliamps a piece. This is a motion light and it works at night. It charges during the day. It needs a minimum of 8 hours to charge the internal batteries on the inside, and you'll be rocking and rolling. These are very bright. I'm really impressed with this. This will get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. Now, the reason why it will is because the batteries are technically user replaceable. Okay, that's important, and they're in a little pack. And I actually took the plastic off of it, and I did some some investigation on it because I wanted to see how this would work, and I actually added a function to it. I actually wanted to see if the battery pack is actually 3600 milliamps. So I have a special piece of hardware that can monitor how much milliamps are being put into the battery and how much current draw the device uses when it's always on. So it drew about 1 amp, 0.99 of an amp, and I was able to put in about 1700 milliamps into the battery. So that means about 1800 milliamps came shipped to me, which is cool. So what I did is I modified the product and I added a micro USB charger to it. So I wanted to see how much power this can have, and I'll show pictures and everything like that. But this is an impressive light. It works really well. So without further ado, we're going to show you it in action at night, and let's get to it. It actually looks really good. Believe it or not, I actually can see way in the distance there. I can definitely see. The camera is not doing its justice, that's for sure. We walk over. There we go. It's really nice. This is going to be awesome here. I'm probably going to leave it up at this height because it actually brightens up this whole backyard here, which is perfect. It's exactly what I was looking for. I recommend this product. As you know already, it receives the JoeteckTip Instant Awesome rating. Quite impressed. The battery lasts for a very, very long time. So guys, don't you like that light? It's really great. I'm going to have a link in the description below to purchase these. Don't forget that 30% discount code. It's in the description below. 2,000 lumens. All right, just so you have an understanding of, it's crazy. It's awesome. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. And now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,